How to get spins on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on New at the bottom. Scroll down and head over to On Credits and Free Gifts. Now head over to Redeem Cash. Tap on Start. It will land you on this interface. Over here you need to tap on Refer Friends. You can either copy the link or copy the code. Let me tap on Copy Code. Once again tap on Copy Code. Once you have copied the code, and then now what you can do is go back and head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Search for the official Instagram page of Temu and then head over to it. Move into the message section. And over here what you can do is basically DM the Temu and ask them for the 24-hour story shoutout, where basically you need to pay some amount of money to them, and then in return they can give you 24-hour shoutout with your referral code in their story. And then you can have a lot of audience and you can earn more money. You can also share your referral code with your friends and your family members. And when they accept your request with your referral code, you will be able to spin the wheel and earn more money. So that's all you gotta do in order to get spins on Temu. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.